Hello and welcome back. I'm glad you are here today. Take a slow breath, relax your shoulders, and listen carefully. Today we talk about a gentle idea from Japan, Ikigai, a quiet reason to wake up, a reason to move, even on hard days, a reason to smile without forcing it. In this lesson, I speak slowly. You listen. Then repeat. This is shadowing practice. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. A small morning. There was a woman named Hana. She lived in a busy city and worked in an office tower. Every day looked the same. Train, desk, screen, home, sleep. People said she had a good life. But inside, she felt empty. One weekend, she visited her grandfather in the countryside. Early in the morning, he woke up before sunrise. He watered plants. He cleaned the garden path. He made tea slowly. Hannah asked, "Grandpa, why do you wake up so early? You don't need to work anymore." He smiled and said, "I wake up because the flowers need me." In that moment, Hannah understood something new. Life is not only about big success. Sometimes purpose lives inside small actions. That feeling is Ikigai. Part 2. The Four Corners of Meaning. Ikigai grows where four parts meet. First, what you enjoy. What activity makes time disappear? Second, what you do well, your natural strengths. Third, what helps others, something useful for the world. Fourth, what supports your life, something that can give stability. When only one exists, life feels incomplete. Only money feels heavy. Only passion feels unstable. Only talent feels empty. Only service feels tiring. But when they connect, life feels balanced, not perfect, just meaningful. Part 3. The Slow Discovery. Many people search for purpose like treasure, but Ikigai is not found. It is grown, like a plant. You water it with daily actions. A man who cooks for his family every morning. A student who practices speaking 5 minutes daily. A teacher who explains patiently. These small acts shape identity. Purpose is repeated behavior, not a sudden decision. So don't wait for clarity. Move first. Understanding comes later. Part 4. Signs you are close. You know you are near your Ikigai when you forget the clock. You feel calm while working. You feel tired but satisfied. You want to improve naturally, not forced motivation, natural energy. Children feel this often. They draw, build, explore, not for reward, but because they want to. Adults lose this feeling, but it can return. Start with curiosity, not pressure. Part 5. Daily Japanese habits. In some places in Japan, many people live very long lives, not because life is easy, but because life is meaningful. They follow simple habits. Eat until comfortable, not full. Move the body gently every day. Keep close friendships. Stay useful to others. They don't chase happiness. They practice belonging. A person who feels needed stays alive inside. Purpose protects the mind. Part 6. Focus and Flow. Have you ever done something and forgot time? That state is called flow. Your mind becomes quiet. Your actions become smooth. Flow appears when challenge and ability meet. Too easy, boredom. Too hard, stress. Balanced, peace. Even shadowing English can create flow. Listen carefully. Repeat softly. Feel rhythm and breathing. You are not only learning language, you are training attention. Attention creates calm. Part 7. Gentle Rules for Living. You don't need a dramatic life to feel meaning. Try these simple rules. Do one thing at a time. Finish small tasks fully. Help someone every day. Learn something daily. Rest without guilt. Be present in ordinary moments. A meaningful life is built quietly, not loudly. Final message. Your Ikigai does not need to be big. It can be caring for family, learning English, creating art, fixing things, teaching others. Purpose is not impressive. Purpose is personal. Each day you show up. Each time you practice speaking. Each small improvement. You build a life that feels yours. Come back and repeat this lesson often. Every repetition strengthens your English and also your focus. You are improving step by step. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep moving toward a life that feels meaningful. See you next time.